Hi, hello, good evening, students. How are you all? Hope you are all doing well. Now, if you see here, I'm just going to pass in data frames a dictionary. How to pass a dictionary? What is a dictionary? In 11th standard, you could learn this, right? What is this dictionary? What did you learn about this dictionary? Dictionary must have this open bracket like this flower bracket, and then we'll be having a key and then colon, then its value, key colon value, key colon value, comma key colon value. This is what a dictionary. So key will be there, then colon, then values will be given like this, or in single thing also can be given as a value. Now I'm just passing such a list into this value, and then next one is a key and then colon, its value can be a list. Now so now how many items, if you want to give that many items also can be passed here by using comma. I'm just going to say this control C. Here if you are passing only 2 items in the dictionary, now if you see here, so A and B, these keys has been now given as a column name. So key has been now given as a column name, and B, A and B are the column names now. And here if you could see, other items can be now given from the list, right? So now if you see here, A and B are the 2 column values, column names. So A and B are the 2 column names, and these listed items will be now shown like this. Okay, so A and B are having different list. Column name is this one. These index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are generated by the system automatically. If you are not going to give any index, automatically system will create row index. But column names also optional. But here I am just going to have this one as a column name. System automatically make the key as a column name, and other things, values will be in rows. Okay, so this is what data frames. Now I'm just going to pass same dictionary, control B. I'm just going to give so many values. For example, I'm just going to pass C. This is another key value, and it will also have a listed items 20, 30, 50, 5 items, right? So 3 and then 4 and 5. Okay, and this also can be another list. And then comma, if you want to pass another D, so it must be alphabet. Alphabets can be given double quotes or single quotes. Numbers cannot be given in double quotes or single quotes. These things in last year you have studied, right? So alphabets you must pass in. If you want to pass any alphabets, you must give like this. You must give in double quotes and pass all the listed items. Okay, this is one list. And then again, if you want to pass another one, the dictionary, key colon values. This is what the syntax. Okay, it's easy only, right? After that, this dictionary has to become a data frame. So data frame you are going to create. So Panda already imported. Data frame F will be caps, and then you are just going to pass this dictionary in as a parameter. That's it. Now print df. You see here, so according to the key and the values, system will take keys as column name and values as the rows. Okay, if you see here, A is now given as a column name, and then B will be column name, but the values will be now given here. So So these are all the column values, right? So each column, this is a row, this is a row, but this is a column, right? This A, B, C, D, E is a column. So column names system generates automatically, it takes this one. So according to that, if you want to say that, we're just going to copy this one. I'm just going to copy this one, and I'm going to make some of other things.